Okay, the next one we're going to do is finding the radius of a cone if we have the volume and the height. So again, our equation is volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. The volume they give us is 196 pi, so that means they've already moved pi to the other side. So we just have to get the final volume, which would be 196 times 3.14 is 615.44, and that's equal to 1/3. And we're not going to write the pi now because they incorporated pi in the answer already on the other side of the equal sign. So it's already been moved over. So 1/3 times r squared, and the height is 12. So again, we're going to use commutative property and do the 1/3 times the 12, which is 4. So 615.44 equals 4 r squared. Divide both sides by 4. And we get 615.44 divided by 4 is 153.86, and that's equal to r squared. So to get r by itself, we would not divide by 2, because r is not getting multiplied by 2. We need to do the opposite of squaring 2, which is the square root. So we do the square root of both sides. That cancels out the square root and the squared, so we get r is equal to. So we do the square root of 153.86, meaning what number times itself is 153.86. Obviously, that's hard to just guess or know, so if you have a normal calculator, you just want to hit the button that looks like that. If you're using a phone, or especially the iPhone, type in the 153.86 on your on your phone, turn your phone sideways, and you'll see a little button kind of to the left side there, and it's got the square root with a 2 there, and then an x inside. Just hit that, and you get 12.4, which is the radius.